He's a scholar of the skimmer, the terminator of the chlorinator. Delightful Duncan Smith.
That methodical periodical with the typically topical, practical, critical and analytical articles. Give him a round of applause.
We get to hear from someone whose presentation is just so Disney, all the way to the core, as it's all about how to find your Prince Charming. Nor am I 100% certain about how they're structuring their segment. Is Tony coming up first? Is John coming up first? Are they coming up together? I have heard a rumour, though, that Tony will be giving an economic update, a snapshot of how the fund is performing, and an overview of planned super changes on July 1st. And John will be interpreting what Tony is saying through the medium of modern dance. When you print upon a spire, much less toner you'll require. When you print upon a spire, your reams come through. And you will find that Peter is not only a superman by occupation, he's also a superman when it comes to his presentation skills. He's faster than a speeding bullet point, he's more PowerPoint than a locomotive, and he's able to leap to tall conclusions in a single bound. So ladies and gentlemen, look up on the stage. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's Australian Superman Peter Tressida. From our dinner sponsor, Tonkin Consulting, their principal scientist, Mel Salts. Give her a big cheer.